A bolt splits the sky in a single blink. It looks like it stabs down from the cloud. It doesn't. How a storm cloud builds up 1 billion volts, how an invisible spark feels its way down, and why the flash actually races upward. Inside the storm, ice and soft hail collide. The crashes tear electrons loose. Negative charge sinks to the base, positive piles up on top. That charge rips a faint spark from the cloud, the stepped leader. It jabs downward in branching steps, hunting for a path. From the ground, positive streamers reach up to meet it. They touch and a channel snaps cloud to ground. Charge dumps through it and a blinding flash tears upward. That upward surge is the lightning you actually see. The return stroke heats the air to 30,000 degrees C, 5 times the sun's surface. The air explodes outward and that shockwave is thunder. Lightning doesn't fall, it answers a spark from the ground. Subscribe next, why thunder rumbles on for so long.